Hello everyone, my name is Harold Zhang. I am a sales manager of Hanway Electronics Group Corporation. Now we are at the gate of Hanway Industrial Park, the headquarters of Hanway. If my cameraman can move his lens up and right to where I'm pointing at, you will see a big logo, Hanway. This park is a big building. If you can view it from a distance, you will see it is in the shape of a boat in full sail. Today, I'm going to guide you around the park for you to have some knowledge of what it looks like inside. Let's get started. Right now, we are inside the park. Right behind me is the administration building, the #1 building. Let's go. Walking through the gate, we see a map on a poster sign to the right side of our walkway. In total, we have 10 buildings in this park. #1 to #4 are dormitories and restaurants. #5 is where we make sensors. #6 is a building sponsored by Hanway. It's an innovation space where startup companies competing to stand out. Today, our first visit will be #7, the administration building, and #8, where the workshop stays. Come with me. Now we are at the Research and Development Center, the 4th floor of building #7. There are over 200 engineers in this center. Actually, besides this center, we also have 3 other such centers in 3 different cities in China and 3 more overseas. Hanway invests more than 3% of its annual income into research and development. With the support from the company, this center up to now has applied for 261 national patents, registered 68 computer software copyrights, and obtained 56 patents on invention. The company has also taken an active part in the drafting of 6 national standards concerning gas detection and firefighting. All these results can be attributed to these smart brains who has made this center a place of innovation and a source of brilliant ideas. All our products we provide to our customers are designed here. You will see some of them when we visit our workshop later. But first, let's go to the warehouse to take a look. We have reached the 5th floor of building #8, the warehouse for raw materials. See, blue shelves are lined up on both sides of the passage. Electronic materials, structural materials, printed circuit boards are all stored in an orderly manner according to their technical property and part number. When a production order is generated in our ERP system, the workers will take materials down to our workshop. That's where we are right now, the 2nd floor of building 8. Our first visit to the workshop will be this manufacturing execution system. On this wall, there are 6 displays. The first one is a real-time display of the status of each workstation. The one under is a real-time update of each production order. These 2 in the middle analyzes and evaluates the performance of each shift for the management to know the bottleneck and to improve production. These 2 on this side are real-time monitoring of the working environment in each workshop. Opposite to the MES system is our SMT workshop. Let's check it out. This is an anti-static workshop, so we have to put on this outfit. The first thing we see in here is the surface mounting system. It's a Fuji XPF. The company spent $1.2 million on this line. It's a fully automatic line. For the input from here, solder pasting, pick and place of material, reflow, visual inspection, then you have the printed circuit board at the end. Next to the surface mounting system is a selective wave soldering machine. It's an ERSA from Germany. It cost $300,000. The line in this room is a coating system, which is used to spray lacquer on printed circuit board to make it resistant to mold, moisture, and salt. This line cost the company another $300,000. Printed circuit board will be taken to the warehouse, then sent to different workshops on orders. Now we can go to the third floor to see how a detector is made. Here it is, the third floor of building number 8, the workshop of fixed gas detectors. To my right, it is the room for sensor module making. Sensor modules, housing, printed boards, all these materials are matched according to orders in our ERP system and coded to avoid mistake, and then assembled on this first workstation. The next step is the aging cabinet, where the assembled detectors are charged for aging. After the aging cabinet is a calibration station. It's a fully automatic one. Detectors are put in these holders, push button, detector go inside, sensor head connects to the caps, and gas flow from that cabinet, parameters set on this screen, then job done. After calibration is IQC inspection. Past the detectors will go to the packing station, filled will return for reflow or scrap. Packed detectors will be taken downstairs to the warehouse on the first floor and shipped out from there. Let's go downstairs to have a look. Now we're in the warehouse on the first floor. When new detectors are taken down from upstairs, the workers in the warehouse will scan these detectors and register them in our ERP system, then store them up on these shelves according to their batch number and part number. When time comes, this detector will be dispatched from this gate to our global customers. And at the same gate, we have come to the end of our tour. Thank you very much for your time, and welcome to contact us if you have any question about the company or want to know more about our products. Bye for now.